I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't have a choice. I had to do it. My parents forced me to marry that girl that I don't even love. They say it's our culture. I can't marry a white person. I have to marry a black person. And I love you. I really am. Just that, black parents want things to do by tradition. So I had no choice but to marry her. But I promise I can make you my second wife if you don't mind. I have to, because if I don't marry that girl, I won't be a CEO of the company. So I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm begging you. I'm gonna make up to you. I promise. I really love you, Anna. I can't lose you. You mean the world to me. You're my everything. You're my sunshine. You're my everything. I love you, Anna. Please don't let this fake marriage come to us, because it's a fake. I love you. I don't love that girl. I don't even know her. My parents chose her for me. I just love you. Please come back. Please come back home. It's cold when you are not there. Please come back. I love you.